Hello everyone, I'm Elsa from INNOSS.techlab. Today, I'm here to unveil the advantages of Forex EA with you and explore how machines can help you earn a stable passive income. First and foremost, let's ponder over what passive income truly means. Passive income refers to revenue streams that don't require direct involvement, such as rental income or dividends. Forex EA are precisely designed to offer us such an opportunity, allowing our funds to engage in automated trading within the market, freeing us from the need to constantly monitor screens. Forex EA have the capability to automatically analyze the market and execute trades based on predefined trading strategies, completely immune to the influence of emotions. This implies that we no longer need to dedicate substantial time and effort daily to studying the market, as we can delegate this task to the machine. From the perspective of passive income, Forex EA enable our funds to generate profits consistently. We don't have to execute trades ourselves or constantly worry about market fluctuations, as our investments steadily grow in the market. This approach resonates perfectly with the concept of making money while you sleep, allowing us to strike a better balance between work, life, and investments. Of course, comprehending the advantages of Forex EA also necessitates understanding their limitations. The outcomes of EA still rely on the effectiveness of predefined trading strategies. Moreover, the market is ever-changing, requiring us to continuously adjust strategies based on market conditions. Hence, choosing the right EA provider and strategy becomes immensely crucial. At INNOSS.techlab, we deeply recognize the significance of machines generating passive income for us. Our EA incorporate cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, enabling them to autonomously learn and adjust trading strategies in response to market shifts, thus providing users with a steady stream of passive income. We are not just a Forex software development company. We're your investment partner committed to creating more value for you. To conclude, the advantages of Forex EA lie in their ability to generate a stable passive income for us. They enable us to manage our funds more intelligently, without the need for constant involvement, while still requiring us to stay informed about the market and optimize strategies. I hope today's insights stimulate new reflections for you. If you're intrigued by the advantages of our EA, feel free to contact us anytime to learn more. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.